Theatre for me started in the year 1974. Yes, you heard right. It was 1974. Many of you seeing this video probably weren't even born at that time. I was having lunch with Ratna Pathak Shah and Sunil Shanbag. And in walks this gentleman. I didn't know who he was, but he knew who I was. So he asked me directly, "Theatre mein kaam karoge?" So I said, well, I don't know how to act. I don't even know how to stand on stage. He said, "Koi baat nahi. Main tumhe actor bana ke hi chhodunga." These were his words. And there I was with the script in my hand. A couple of days later, me, Sunil and Ratna, all the three of us, in a play called Sambhog Se Sanyastak, which he was writing in the year 1974. 1975, a play was staged. There were lots of other actors whom Dubey had roped in, Pandit Satyadev Dubey. And we performed that play. That play actually was performed for 18 long years in 4 languages: Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati and English. It took me 25 years to actually realize that I can do stage, I can do theatre. It was in the year 2000 when Dubeji was writing a play called Inshallah, which was 60% autobiographical, 40% talking only about theatre. It was a very, very verbose play. So that probably made me feel that yes, I can hold stage, my feet are grounded, and I can face the audience even if there are 2,000 people in the audience. It doesn't matter to me. But it took me those many number of years. In film, you get a lot of time. In television, you do get time. In theatre, you're all by yourself. You have to be very, very careful. You're there, you're there. You forget, it's your bloody funeral. You don't know nothing. You can't do nothing about it. You cannot shout and say, "Hey, I forgot my cue." You can't do that. You cannot flirt with theatre. Flirting with theatre is not allowed. If you want to do theatre, you have to do it seriously and give it commitment. Give it time. You cannot say, "I'll step on stage and tomorrow morning I'm going to be a big star." No. Theatre has a lot of departments. It's just not acting. You have to do stage, you have to do backstage work. You should know your lighting, you should know your music cues, you should know how this operates. It is a collective effort. It is just not that you are an actor, you come, you perform, you remove your clothes and get out. No, that's not theatre. Well, with the initiatives that are being taken up these days, and especially this kind of an initiative, I sincerely hope that theatre is not a dying form. I hope it evolves, and it evolves with a lot of enthusiasm.